Realmente siempre habíamos tenido dengue, pero nunca tantos casos como en el 2019, donde la necesidad hospitalaria se vio desbordada, es decir, teníamos pacientes hasta en los pasillos.
They were really overwhelmed with patients during the 2019 dengue outbreak. They had over 2,000, which is the highest they'd ever had before.
Se tuvo que habilitar una carpa fuera de la institución para poder ser como un filtro, es decir, los febriles, este sospechoso de dengue, pues pase al hospital.
This is a hospital like a lot of hospitals in Honduras, in Guatemala, throughout the region, where they are just figuring out how to do absolutely the best they can.
Entonces eso no, la capacidad de dar respuesta del hospital se vio en algún momento pues desbordada. No podíamos darle respuesta a todas las personas.
When you have an epidemic dengue year, you've got to think through everybody who needs support. The data pieces that we often look at and the laboratory pieces, but also how do we support the human resources in the hospitals to do their job.
Creo yo que todavía la población no ha entendido eliminar los criaderos de zancudo nos va a evitar tener muertes por dengue.
The question is, how do we intervene ahead of time that we reduce the likelihood of having these massive epidemic dengue years? That's the question that we have to confront in public health.